Hi all. So today we are going to see cloud computing model and also examples of it. So let's first understand what is cloud computing. So cloud computing is nothing but the on-demand delivery of compute power, database storage, applications, and other IT resources through a cloud services platform via the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. So pay as you go is the payment method for the cloud computing that charges based on the usage. It's like utility bills. So as much as we'll use, based on that billing will be there. So now we'll see the what are the different types of models of cloud computing. So there are three. First is IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service, then PaaS, that is platform as a service, and SaaS, that is software as a service. So if we'll see on the IaaS side, we have more control and more customer responsibility as compared to SaaS, that is software as a service. Now we'll see why we are commenting that. Because here we can see on the leftmost side, there is on-premises environment where blue color shows what things you manage and green color shows what things are managed by provider. So on-premises environment, we manage everything like application, data, runtime, middleware, operating system, virtualization, server, storage, networking, everything. Where at the infrastructure side, if we can see, we manage application, data, runtime, middleware, and operating system. So that is underlying operating system and hardware. Whereas virtualization, server, storage, and networking is managed by the provider. Now, if we'll move back to PaaS, that is platform as a service, we manage only application and data. We do not worry about underlying hardware and operating systems. So, other things are managed by provider. Whereas on the SaaS, that is software as a service, everything is managed by provider. We just have to use that software as it is. We have to learn how to use it and utilize it. So here we can see that on the IaaS side, we manage multiple things as compared to SaaS, and hence we have mentioned in the previous slide that IaaS offers more flexibility and more customer responsibility. Now let's see the difference. So IaaS, as we have seen, sometimes it abbreviated as IaaS, so that is infrastructure as a service. It contains the basic building blocks for cloud IT. So it typically provides the access to networking feature and computers and data storage space. So here in IaaS, it provides the highest level of flexibility as we have seen and the management control over our IT resources. And this is the most similar to existing IT resources that many IT department and developer are familiar with. So when it comes to PaaS, that is platform as a service, we only focus on application and data side. So that is, we remove the need of organizations to manage the underlying infrastructure. So it allows us to only focus on the deployment and the management of the application, that is application and data. So this helps us to be more efficient as we don't have to worry about the resource procurement, patching, or any underlying hardware's operating system or the software maintenance while running your application. When it comes to SaaS, that is software as a service, here everything is managed by service provider itself. So in most of the cases, people referring to SaaS are referring to end user applications. So here you just need to think about how to use that piece of software. So the common example of it is application is based on email, where you can send and receive the email without having to manage the feature addition to the email product or maintaining the server and operating system that the email program is running on. So here we just care about is how to use that email software. So that was all about the SaaS. So thank you so much for watching this video and please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.